Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up price alerts on Binance. So be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel Tutorial Lore. Let's go for how to set up price alerts on Binance. Step 1. Open the Binance app on your mobile device or go to the Binance website on your computer and log into your account. Step 2. Once you're logged in, go to the Markets section. On the app, it's usually found at the bottom. On desktop, it's at the top. Step 3. Search for the cryptocurrency you want to set an alert for by using the search bar. Step 4. After finding the coin, click on the market pair, e.g. BTC/USDT. Step 5. On the Assets page, click on the alert icon, usually represented by a bell symbol. Step 6. Set your desired price for the alert by adjusting the slider or entering a specific price. Step 7. Select whether you want to receive an alert via email or push notification. Step 8. Click on Save or Set Alert to activate the price alert. Step 9. You'll now be notified when the price of your selected cryptocurrency reaches the set value. Step 10. You can manage or remove the alert anytime through your alert settings in the app or website.